Sa mga taga-Tagum dyan, excited na ba kayo sa latest development sa construction site ng ginagawang SM Mall Tagum, Davao?
Dreams etched deep in steel and stone. Every line a whispered promise. Foundations rising, flesh and bone. The architect shaping skies, turning visions into life. Walls and windows, truth and light. The architect.
Sa ngayon naman ay bigyan natin ng buhay ang isang larawan gamit ang drone shot photo ng SM Tagum sa pamamagitan ng rendering.
Bridges span the hopes of many. Homes embrace the warmth of day. Every curve and crafted angle guides the weary on their way. The architect shaping skies, turning visions into life. Walls and windows, truth and light. The architect, the soul of design.
Sa aking mga fans dyan, huwag ninyong kalimutang mag-like and comment sa aking kaibigan sa kanyang maliit na FB page, May Kubo.